Alright guys, check this out. Have here is a vegan eggless mayo. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test for you and tell you if it tastes any good. So it's basically water, canola, cornstarch, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, soy protein, xanthan gum, turmeric. So yeah, I got this and I'm gonna try out some new recipes, guys, because I got lots of time on my hands now. So I'm gonna do a sort of like a tuna salad. So I'm gonna try that out. I got these new corn tortillas, so I'm gonna make a tuna salad wrap with this vegan mayo. So, but I'm gonna do a quick taste test right now. So let's open this up. And hopefully this tastes pretty good. Okay, so smell wise, it smells like, literally smells like mayo. So let's do a quick taste test. There it is. Oh yeah, this is actually pretty good. It literally tastes like mayo. You wouldn't know there was no eggs in there. So definitely check it out, guys. I would say it has the taste is not as strong as regular mayo, but it's very similar. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.